In this tutorial, I'm going to continue to work on this floor plan and set up a camera so we can then animate it a little bit later. So right now, this right here is your camera, and that little thing right there is pointing up. If for some reason you don't have one of those, go to Add and Camera, but hopefully you can locate that either there or over here and then locate it. To see what your camera is looking at, click on the camera icon, or you can press 0 on your number pad. And right now my camera is not where I want to have it go. So a couple ways you can move this. One way is to use the move tool and move that around, but then you can't really see what you're looking at. So this sometimes helps, but an easier way to do this is go inside your camera, make sure the borders are selected, and if you press N or click on this over here and then click on View and then click Lock Camera View to over here under that spot, then you can now use your tumble. So right now I'm using my middle mouse and pressing down and hold down Shift to kind of pan. You can zoom out, so it just makes it much easier to kind of position that where you want to start. So and then if you still want to kind of play with it, you can also come up here to item that's selected, and if I want to play with my rotation, so maybe I want to mess with my rotation, I'm just clicking and dragging there, so I could just go in there and type out a 0. If I want to make that completely straight, type out a straight angle like 90 degrees, and then same thing with this one. You do want to just kind of set that wherever you want it to go, and then you can continue to move around. Once you get your camera set up, I would unclick on the lock, and then you are ready to go with whatever you want to do with your camera.